Hi Ash, how's it Ashley? I'm just going to see, this is your file that I've opened. I want to check what's going on with your scaling. So you say in your title block here, okay, this is Y, because that's an A1 page. Okay, that's your viewport scale, 1:50. Okay, that looks right, 1:100 even smaller. Okay, 1:50 should be quite big, 1:100. Okay, so there's something wrong there. It's not the annotative. Okay, let's go check here. This is 1:1. Okay, so if that's all scaled correctly, the thing I'll check is the actual dimensions of things. Let's check the actual scale here. So let's just see. dr for distance. So if I go from here to there. Okay, that's showing us 50, not 500. 100, not 1,000. 123, not 1230. 280, not to 800. Okay, so this says to me you've scaled this by about a factor of 10. This text height 10. So that should be about 100 1:100 scale. So let me check here. Text style, what are you using? Standard 10. Okay, that's not good. So there's something wrong with that then. Your text height is 10. The dimensions are in centimeter scale, not millimeter scale. All that means is that you've done it at a dimension of 10 times less than it should be. This text dimension style here is dimension styles. Just go in text. Dim style. Use. Okay, so let's go see dim style use format. Dim style use modify. Let's just see what it is. Decimals text. It's using standard. Standard is 10. Okay, so that text sounds too wrong. Okay, so yeah, everything is scaled by a factor of 10. So this is how we sort that out. You can do it to the original file, but I'm just going to do it to the copy of. So I'm going to go copy. I'm going to copy this to here, just so it's out the way. And then I'm going to scale this all by a factor of 10. So I go SC for scale. Base point here, because I want it to go this way and that way in terms of distance. And I'm going to put a factor of 10 in there. Okay, so let's see. That's now much bigger. Let's check the distances here. 0, 500, 1,000, 1225, so you're 5 mils off there, and 2,800. Okay, so that's better. And if we test this here, let's just do this. There we go, 1:50, that's looking a little bit better. So there we go, that scales right. The only thing we need to change here now is your text is going to be correct. It's just not fitting in its box anymore. The box doesn't scale, so you're going to have to do this for some of your text and change some things around. Other thing, check the dimensions are super small. So we go format, dimension style. You're using this one, use, so we're going to modify that one. Text was a problem. So I'm going to come to text, and instead of going to text form, I'm going to click on here, and I'm going to say standard must be 100. So that's that. That'll sort out a lot of problems. Boom. Perfect. There's your text much bigger, so your arrows are now really small. Let's go from beginning to end then. This should be by layer. This should be by layer. This should be by layer. Extension beyond tick should be 100. Baseline spacing 100. Should be by layer, by layer, by layer, by layer. For basic 1:100, I do most of these at 100, and it seems to work for a lot of the others as well. Stars and arrows, oblique, architectural tick, not oblique. Architectural tick, that'll be closed fold for leader. Arrow size 100. Break size 100. That's all fine. Text height, problem. Text, we've done already standard. By layer, full color none. That'll be gray because it's referring to that. Offset from bin line 100. Okay, fit. That's looks okay. Overall scale 1 is fine. Primary units, this needs to just be 0. We don't need decimals for millimeters. And that's fine. So everything's fitting there. Perfect. So the other one is just not overall beside dimension lines fine, but you want to fit it. Text placement. You want it view direction. Aligned with dimension lines, what I normally do. Boom. Okay. And close that because you've done it. Okay, cool. Now your dimensions are looking better. Perfect. You just need to obviously move that text. You need to move some of this text here because it's incorrect. The box is size different, but the scale is not correct. Everything is looking hunky-dory. That should read as 700. So if I do a distance measure here, it should be 700 from there to there. 695. So 5 mils off. It's because of the scaling. It's hard to get fractions of a mil. But if you read these dimensions, you'll probably get that correct. It's fine. Cool, so that was the problem there, was everything was drawn at like a 1:10 scale. Cool, that'll fix it.